apparatus. Okay, apparatus of electrolytic reduction. So this entire beaker, it's basically an apparatus of the electrolytic reduction. Now, what happens in the anode? Let's talk about what happens in the anode first. So I'll just set the plus sign here, on plus and this is minus, right? I think, yeah. So what happens in the anode? So basically what happens in the anode is oxidation. The definition of oxidation is basically the gain of oxygen and loss of hydrogen. O2 and loss of H, hydrogen. Now in the anode, this is NaCl, right? NaCl, correct? Now what happens is that this Cl goes to the anode, okay, and it minuses with an electron. So Cl minus 1 electron, which is E minus. It gives you Cl. If you again it happens, okay, so like that, it is Cl. So here Cl plus Cl gives you Cl2, which is chlorine in its gaseous form. Now, afterwards, what happens in the cathode, right? So Na, it goes here and becomes plus. So it adds with an electron. So what happens in cathode is that reduction happens. So I'll just write the top of meaning here of reduction. Reduction is basically loss of O2 and gain of H, which is basically hydrogen. So this is the definition for reduction, and this is the definition for oxidation. Yeah. Loss of hydrogen. Yeah. So now after that, what happens is Na gets transferred to the cathode. So Na plus, it will give you another electron, plus E minus. So it will give you Na in its liquid form. Afterwards, so basically what you can say is that the NaCl, this is the conclusion state. So NaCl in its liquid form, Na in its liquid form, it gives you Na its liquid form plus Cl2, which is chlorine gas. So this is just one example of how we actually do it for rock salt, and you do the same process for every other element. So you can also take potassium here and sodium, aluminum, magnesium.
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Where is concentration of the? You did electrolytic reduction now.
Yeah.
What about the concentration of the ore? You missed the step. You didn't concentrate the ore. There are impurities. How can you do electrolytic reduction directly?
So for that, before you do that, yeah, good point out. So for concentration of the ore, you have to remove the impurities, right, from the ore. So imagine this is the ore, and these are the impurities. So there's one. If the impurities are magnetic, then you can attract it with a magnet, and afterwards, I'll just write a statement. If impurities are magnetic you can remove them using a magnet. So that way the impurities are removed. So which is the first step? Concentration in the ore. Yes, Vian.
What are the impurities also called as? In a ore, what are the
The
impurities called
impurities,
as?
impurities like clay, salt. No, not salt. Impurities. These impurities are also called as gangue.
Okay,
So
correct.
it's like this. These impurities are also called as
Show how you would do it for NaCl, not only